think some of the skills that a really good data scientist has, obviously there's a strong mathematical background, you have to be interested somewhat in computer science, but also I think at a deeper level you have to be very creative. You have to be able to look at a problem and be like, we haven't solved this before, and to use your skills in a unique way.
And what really makes us effective is our small class sizes and faculty who come from a wide variety of different disciplines. Our students aren't just exposed to a single application of data science. They can see how it can apply to geology, to chemistry, to biology, to engineering. And because of that, they're able to demonstrate this breadth of knowledge when they get out into the workforce.
As a graduate of St. Thomas, I currently work at a research lab at the University of Minnesota. And I'm studying C. elegans, so these little tiny, like millimeter-long worms. And we're looking at a process called meiosis. Meiosis is one of those things where if it goes wrong, it can have big impacts in reproduction that can later be then applied to humans. I think one of the things that St. Thomas really taught me was to have a big overarching idea, an overarching goal of working towards the common good.
If you have a background in data science, you're not limited to what you can do. There are some industries or some professions where if you get a degree, you're kind of limited what you can do. As a data scientist, you can work anywhere.